Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Nick Ray from Phandroid, and today we are doing a smartphone camera test with the all-new Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now, this smartphone has a triple camera setup on the back with a main 108 megapixel sensor and then two additional 12 megapixel sensors, one with a 5x periscope telephoto lens and then a 120 degree ultra wide angle lens. As far as the front-facing camera goes, you get a 10 megapixel sensor, and that can record 4K video at up to 60 frames per second. But in this video, we're recording at 4K 30 FPS. And for the rear cameras, it can go all the way up to 8K at 24 frames per second. But again, in this video, we're going to be recording video at 4K 30 FPS. Now, as we do in all of these videos, everything that you see here is being recorded with the cameras on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So keep an eye on the bottom of the screen to see which cameras are being used for the photos and videos that you're going to see. Now that we've gotten the specifications of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra's cameras out of the way, let's jump into some sample images captured with this device in a variety of different lighting conditions to see how it actually performs in the real world.
quality of the video that you get when you zoom in this far isn't great, but honestly, there's really no other smartphone on the market that can do something like this. Zoom in over here to the clock tower. And if we bump the exposure down just a little bit, we can actually see what time it is. Here's a look at video from the front-facing camera on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. It does pretty good in low-light situations. Honestly, there aren't a lot of devices that can actually get really good video from the front-facing camera in these kinds of scenarios, so it's nice to see how bright the video is, but it's probably going to be a little bit grainier than what it appears on the screen for me. And that's going to do it for this camera test with the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. We're working on our full review of this device to give you an idea of how it stacks up against the competition, but we're also going to be doing a handful of camera comparisons with the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, getting those confused already, comparing it to quite a few flagship devices to see how the cameras stack up, and also putting it head to head with the new Pixel 4a, which is a $350 device costing roughly $1,000 less, to give you an idea of what the real differences in the cameras are when comparing those two devices. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.